With all the new teachers flooding the VIPKID platform, one question stands out among all the rest. What props are you using? What has been worth your time, your money, and been more effective with your students? So that's exactly what I'm going to share with you guys today, my current VIPKID prop tour. Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel and another episode of the Onesie One Take, a weekly series where I come home, or am currently quarantined at home, sit in front of my camera and answer your questions. My name is Kristen and I will be your host today. If this is the first time seeing my face, please make sure it is not the last by clicking that little red subscription button and the bell to be updated for each and every future video. We try to do Onesie One Takes each and every week on Wednesdays, and sometimes we do videos on Friday and Saturday, depending on the schedule. And if you're watching this during the quarantine, we'll probably have those videos on Wednesdays and Fridays. This episode of the Onesie One Take is brought to you by my new and improved mailing list. Stay up to date with everything VIPKID related and collect my monthly freebies. Speaking of which, I do have a current giveaway going on. If you are watching this video before April 15th of 2020, information on how to enter my 5K giveaway is down below in the description box. And what is also down below by your request is everything that I use in my VIPKID and my brick and mortar classroom. I am a VIPKID teacher as well as a K-8 music teacher, and I through the years have found things to make my life just a little bit easier, none of which are sponsored. They are just honestly used each and every day, and a majority of the things I am showing you here, if they are still available, will be linked down below in my description box. So without any further ado, let's begin my VIPKID prop tour. Now I want to make it very clear, there is no minimum amount of props that make you a better teacher or the best teacher. It's just really what works well with you. And there are two things I recommend to every teacher when they begin. One of them comes from the Dollar Tree, and it is a pack of dry erase markers. Yes, I'm the worst drawer in the world, and I have a pack of dry erase markers, and the Dollar Tree had 2 packs of whiteboards. The other one's down here, and what I do right now is I make my to-do lists on one of them, so I know what I'm going to do every day while in quarantine. Why I recommend these: A, because they are $1 from the Dollar Tree, and B, they can be used no matter what level you're teaching. If a child's having a hard time with a word, you can write out the phonetics. How many syllables are in the word? It can be used for math. This can be used for anything, especially when they learn colors. I love the colors unit in level 2 because we have a majority of the colors they will be learning. For example, if I am teaching the colors unit and I need to teach them the color red, I can show them red. I can ask them if they can see anything red in their house. This is not only a writing utensil, it is a colors prop as well. So I definitely recommend the Dollar Tree version of whiteboards and dry erase markers. The first piece of tech that I recommend to everybody is the Clippable ring light. This is definitely linked down below in my description box. It is wonderful. Again, not sponsored. I just tried out a bunch of these and this one has worked the best. It charges right here just like your cell phone would. It's got 3 different levels of light. Small, medium, large. Probably can't see it with my lights on, but it does clip. It can clip onto your laptop. It can clip onto your computer, and you can take it with you if you are a traveling VIPKID teacher. This works well to keep your face illuminated. A lot of parents really like lit classrooms with good backgrounds and the ability to see your face, to see expression, what you're saying, and how to pronounce new sight words and vocabulary. This has been linked down below forever, and I've gotten so much feedback that they love this. People who travel a lot, it goes right into a backpack or a computer bag. You cannot go wrong with this. So my starter pack for new teachers are the Dollar Tree dry erase markers and board and a clip light. You cannot go wrong with those, and they can easily be purchased. The next one is something that I made through literally just some colored paper from the Dollar Tree, my printer, and a laminator. I think that is all linked down below, minus the ability to use my printer. But I did take some colored paper. I took reds, oranges, and greens, and I printed out big letters and small letters. And I use this for pre-VIPKID and for level 1s. Level 2, we don't really do a lot of letters, but in level 1 and below, they have to know, big and small letters. And when they get to the assessments, I've gotten parent feedback that they loved the fact that I was able to show them these letters. And they knew what to say. And you could even say, circle big A. And it shows them what they should be looking for, what to circle on the screen, because a lot of times the parents in the lower levels are trying to help the children because they're young, they don't know, they've got a stranger speaking a foreign language to them. If you can have these props and show them, circle letter A. Do you see letter A or B? And then when they get to the assessments, you can have all of the letters. Bonus points if you're a musician, whip out a guitar or some musical instrument to sing the alphabet with the children. They love that. But if you're not a musician, don't have an instrument, it's fine, just sing it. But they have loved these. And these took maybe an hour or two just to print them, cut them, and then I cut all the paper. They are definitely not even. Like if I stack them, you can see they are not even at all. But they can't tell when I'm just showing them the letters A through Z, and I highly recommend these if you teach younger kids. I'm sure you can find a version of these on Etsy or somewhere online, but I needed a project to do in school one day, and these have lasted well over 2 years. Highly recommend. Back to Dollar Tree purchases. If I have a student that doesn't really understand, prizes for stars or you earned this, I like to take these little cutouts also from the Dollar Tree. Like when you get a star, you get a cupcake. Or if they don't like cupcakes, or we're learning animals, something that's been very popular are butterflies. Now these both came as packs from the Dollar Tree, and these are the only packs I have. I don't have cards, I don't have clothes. They can either choose from butterflies or cupcakes. And if I see a level 1 student more than once, I will switch it up. So if I have Bella in level 1, I know I'll do butterflies. And I can also use the stickers, the AR stickers, to put a butterfly on her head when she gets them. Or cupcakes, and I put the birthday cake sticker on their screen when they do it as well. Make sure you do have more than one, so if they earn more stars, or if they're learning numbers, you can have them count the butterflies. 1, 2, and so on and so forth. 2 butterflies, and they'll repeat it as well. Just a visual prop that you can use as a reward, or when they're learning animals, or as a reward, or when they're learning food. If you can't tell, I'm a very frugal teacher. I try to be as minimalistic as possible with my props, but now that I teach levels 1 through 7 and supplementals, I do try to change it up. I don't use Google Slides. I don't use any fancy backgrounds. I don't use any of that. It is just all physical props. I know some teachers are really into the tech, but I like being old school and having these kind of rewards and props with me. Of course, we have Dino. Dino is right here. He is also one of the gifts being given away in my 5K giveaway. So if you don't have a Dino, there are a few options. 1, you can enter my giveaway for a chance to win them. 2, you can save up your tokens. I think it's 10,000 tokens. I could be wrong. Teachers, correct me down below in the comments. Or you can buy him on Amazon. The link is down below in the description. I do not sell Dino. I do not do any distribution of him. I just know some teachers want to have one, so those are your ways of getting him. And my favorite prop that I'm currently using comes from an Etsy shop. I will link the Etsy store below. I am not sure if this person still sells this product, and I do not know them personally, nor am I affiliate of them. I just loved this when I bought it. I bought this more when I was traveling and was backpacking, a laptop, that ring light. I wanted a prop I can take with me with my whiteboard and markers, and it was this key ring connected deck of flashcards. And what I love about these is they come in colors. You see I have reds, orange, green, yellow, blue. The reds are all the standard VIP kid characters. Dino, Meg, Mike, Teacher, Lee, which you can use if you say hi to China, say hi to Lee, that whole fun thing, and Emily. These are all the basics. And then if you go to orange, it's the level 2 unit of family. And I love these not just if I teach level 2 with all these, but if I'm asking somebody, who's in their family, and maybe they don't completely understand, so I can come in here and I can show them family. Who is in your family? And I can tell them, I have a dad, a mom, a brother, a sister. And then the greens are, let me pull them up, more of the VIP kid characters. You see we have Tina, Lily, it goes on and on. We have all of them. They are all here. The blue are feelings. So if you are teaching the feelings, how are you today? You can show angry, you can show sad, happy, and they're all here. And what's really nice, again, is if you're doing assessments and you want them to know these emotions, you can even show it without the words. So they have to know just by looking what these are. Wonderful props. And then of course, the yellow are the aliens of VIP Kid, minus Dino because he's in the red pack. But you know, we have yellow, queen pink ball, which I think someone just took off of a slide, blue, alien, green, pink. They are all here. And again, when I'm traveling and I want to take these with me, I literally just stack them all on top of each other. You can see on Dino there is a hole in the upper left-hand side, and it came with a little key ring, so I can put the ring all the way through, clasp it shut, and there you have it. I can travel with all of these with me. Honestly, when I do travel, it is the Etsy pack. With the ring light, I actually do this. I close it together like this, so they're all held here. Then I will grab one dry erase and my markers, stack these together, put my laptop on top, and slide it into a backpack, and then I am good to go. Something I also take with me, and because I have a slightly larger travel bag now, it's been a lot easier, is the map that's currently behind me, which does come from the lovely Nancy Taylor. If you've not checked her out, I will put her Instagram down below and her YouTube channel. She has been selling these world maps, which honestly, this is taped up. It is light enough to be taped up with my Scotch tape, and when I want to have it as my background when I am teaching, if I'm teaching this way, I have taught this way, but if I am teaching this way, they will clip with paper clips right onto my trifold. So if you already have a trifold from the Dollar Tree, and I will get to mine in a minute, these maps clip right to these trifolds, or they can be taped. What's nice is it's just a clean background. There is nothing behind me to distract the student. They can see the world, and I really like it if we're learning geography in levels 4 and up. I can show them, you know, where they are, where I live. This is a world map, but I also have the United States map as well. It's in blue. I just want to try filming with this one. I will have a link to all of her maps and her Hey Nancy Taylor shop down below in the description box. These are not expensive compared to some of the other props I have seen. I believe, correct me if I'm wrong, these are $10, and I can put this, actually I kept the box with me. I roll it up nice and easy. It goes right into this box, and sometimes I just put it right into the back of my car, right next to my backpack, and if not, it rolls straight up and goes right into the bag next to my laptop as well. Easy peasy way to make a really quick makeshift backdrop, makeshift backdrop that just looks professional and nice no matter where you are going. And over here is my basic trifold. I have had this trifold and this fold-up table since I started in January of 2018. This trifold came from the Dollar Tree. I borrowed border from extra friends who were teachers and had extra things lying around, so I just cut a little bit of border. This is the same colored construction paper as my ABC letters. I printed out welcome, got a lot of this on Pinterest. So a lot of this is just really time, the Dollar Tree, some glue, a color printer, and a laminator. And I made all of this. A quick tour, I have my colors. It says welcome. It says Miss Kristen, even though I go by Teacher Kristen. Alphabets and numbers. And it's all here, so if I am teaching a student something, I can reference these on my trifold. I recommend having a trifold unless you are lucky enough to have a backdrop. I like having the option to do both. That way I can, you know, surprise the student, not always have the same classroom. Honestly, this is what has worked for me. I have never gotten any feedback from teachers or parents saying that I need more in my classroom. Just having the basics with a little bit of extra, like the map, the trifold, a Dino, has really helped, especially looking professional, has been the help of this ring light. If you have any props that you'd like to add to the conversation, what's worked well for you, how you found it, or how you made it, please put it down below in the comment section. If you guys like these kind of videos, please let me know by giving this one a huge thumbs up. That is my VIP Kid Prop Tour. Again, if you are new here, click that subscription button and the bell. We are doing our best to crank out videos each and every week to help out not only new teachers, but veteran teachers, and I hope this helped you guys. If you are still watching this during the quarantine, please stay inside, wash your hands, be safe. Thinking of all of you guys doing the best that I can to help you. If you know of any topics that you'd like to be future onesie one take episodes, please let me know down below in the comment section as well. Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I also forgot to mention that all of these props go nicely into the top drawer of my office so that when I'm not teaching, this just looks like a regular home office. I'm gonna do a 60-second cleanup now.